Handheld gaming just took a massive leap forward. For years, the Nintendo Switch and Steam Deck have ruled the portable gaming scene, but now, ASUS has dropped something that's turning the entire industry upside down, the brand new ROG Ally 2. With a sleeker design, a gorgeous OLED display, insane desktop-level performance, improved cooling, and way better battery life, this isn't just a small upgrade, it's a revolution. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know. The features, the performance leaks, pricing rumors, and why many gamers are already calling this the handheld that changes everything. So, is the ROG Ally 2 the future of gaming on the go? Let's find out. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The handheld gaming industry has always been full of experiments, but in recent years it has transformed into one of the most exciting battlegrounds in all of technology. Portable consoles are no longer just about playing basic games on the go. They are becoming full-fledged powerhouses that rival gaming laptops and desktops, but in a much smaller form factor. At the center of this revolution is ASUS with its ROG Ally series, and now the highly anticipated ASUS ROG Ally 2 has arrived, creating waves across the gaming community. Every gamer, whether a casual player or an enthusiast who follows hardware trends religiously, is talking about how this new machine could change everything we thought we knew about handheld gaming. The original ROG Ally was already a massive leap, but the second generation doesn't just refine the formula, it reinvents it. With next-level performance, a sleeker design, enhanced thermals, and features that seem years ahead of competitors, the ASUS ROG Ally 2 is shaping up to be the handheld that changes everything so far. When ASUS first introduced the original ROG Ally, it was met with both excitement and skepticism. Many wondered if there was really a market for such a device at a time when Nintendo Switch dominated handheld gaming and Valve's Steam Deck had already gained a loyal fanbase. But ASUS proved that there was a large group of gamers hungry for a device that could bridge the gap between consoles and PC gaming without compromises. The Ally was praised for its bright 120Hz display, powerful AMD chip, and seamless Windows integration that gave players the flexibility to play everything from AAA blockbusters to indie titles. However, as good as it was, the first model had limitations. Battery life wasn't the best, thermals were sometimes tricky, and software optimization left room for improvement. With the ROG Ally 2, ASUS has listened to feedback and gone back to the drawing board, resulting in a device that seems to have corrected nearly all the flaws of its predecessor while adding an entirely new set of features that no one saw coming. The first thing that strikes you about the ROG Ally 2 is the design. ASUS has always understood that gamers care not only about performance but also about the feel of a device in their hands, and the new Ally takes ergonomics to a new level. It is lighter than the original, yet sturdier, with a premium build that feels closer to a console controller than a bulky handheld PC. The grips have been redesigned with improved curvature and textured surfaces, making long sessions far more comfortable. ASUS has also refined the button layout, ensuring that the triggers, bumpers, and joysticks are more responsive and durable. The RGB lighting on the joysticks and buttons has been retained but made subtler, giving the handheld a futuristic yet professional look. The bezels around the display have also been slimmed down, which not only makes the screen more immersive, but also helps reduce the overall footprint of the device. This is clearly a handheld built for marathon gaming without the fatigue that often comes with holding heavier devices. Of course, design is only half the story. The ROG Ally 2 truly shines when it comes to raw performance. ASUS has once again partnered with AMD, but this time the device is powered by a brand new custom APU built on cutting-edge architecture. Early benchmarks suggest that the Ally 2 is capable of delivering desktop-level gaming performance, running even the most demanding AAA games smoothly at high settings. The combination of powerful CPU and GPU cores, paired with ultra-fast LPDDR5X RAM, ensures that loading times are almost non-existent and multitasking feels effortless. Gamers can seamlessly switch between running heavy games, streaming content, and even creative applications without any noticeable lag. What makes this even more impressive is that the device does all of this while consuming less power, thanks to AMD's efficiency improvements. The result is a handheld that doesn't just compete with other portable devices. It threatens to eat into the territory of gaming laptops. One of the biggest pain points of handheld gaming has always been battery life, and ASUS seems to have cracked the code with the ROG Ally 2. While the original Ally sometimes struggled to last more than 2 to 3 hours under heavy loads, the new generation boasts significant improvements in power efficiency. Early reports suggest that the Ally 2 can deliver between 6 to 8 hours of mixed usage, with even longer life possible in optimized performance modes. ASUS has included advanced software features that allow users to quickly switch between performance profiles depending on whether they are gaming, streaming, or just browsing. This flexibility is critical, as it lets the device conserve power when high performance isn't necessary while still unleashing its full potential when playing demanding games. On top of that, fast charging technology has been upgraded, allowing gamers to get hours of gameplay from just a short charging session, which makes the Ally 2 much more practical for travel and commuting. Another highlight of the ROG Ally 2 is the display, which is arguably one of the best ever seen on a handheld gaming device. ASUS has equipped it with a stunning OLED panel, delivering deep blacks, vibrant colors, and incredible contrast. With a resolution that goes beyond Full HD and refresh rates that can hit 120 Hz or even 144 Hz in some models, the visual experience is nothing short of breathtaking. Games look crisp and fluid, whether you're playing an indie platformer or a massive open-world title. The screen also supports HDR, which makes cinematic games feel even more immersive, and the brightness levels have been improved to ensure visibility in all lighting conditions. Combined with ASUS's custom display tuning, the result is a screen that feels like it belongs to a premium gaming monitor rather than a handheld. For gamers who care deeply about visuals, this is one of the strongest reasons to choose the ROG Ally 2. Thermals have also been given a massive overhaul. ASUS has implemented a new dual-fan cooling system that works quietly but efficiently to keep temperatures under control even during extended gaming sessions. This is complemented by advanced vapor chamber cooling and improved heat dissipation materials. Unlike the original model, which sometimes got uncomfortably warm, the Ally 2 maintains a stable temperature without throttling performance. This is a crucial upgrade, as overheating is one of the biggest enemies of handheld devices. Gamers can now play for hours without worrying about performance drops or discomfort, which gives the Ally 2 a clear edge over many of its competitors. The grips have been redesigned with improved curvature and textured surfaces, making long sessions far more comfortable. ASUS has also refined the button layout, ensuring that the triggers, bumpers, and joysticks are more responsive and durable. The RGB lighting on the joysticks and buttons has been retained but made subtler, giving the handheld a futuristic yet professional look. The bezels around the display have also been slimmed down, which not only makes the screen more immersive, but also helps reduce the overall footprint of the device. This is clearly a handheld built for marathon gaming without the fatigue that often comes with holding heavier devices. Of course, design is only half the story. The ROG Ally 2 truly shines when it comes to raw performance. ASUS has once again partnered with AMD, but this time the device is powered by a brand new custom APU built on cutting-edge architecture. Early benchmarks suggest that the Ally 2 is capable of delivering desktop-level gaming performance, running even the most demanding AAA games smoothly at high settings. The combination of powerful CPU and GPU cores, paired with ultra-fast LPDDR5X RAM, ensures that loading times are almost non-existent